In this exercise, we are going to see online analytical data processing using pivot table slicer. The previous exercise we discussed about how to insert pivot table and pivot chart. Once you have completed the pivot table and pivot chart preparation, the next step you can make use of this online analytical data processing, that is slicer, for better data analysis and interpretation. For that, you have to select this chart first. If you don't select the chart, then slicer will not work. First you have to select the pivot table, pivot chart you have to select. After that, go to insert menu. Then here you have few symbols. In that, next to recommended chart area, you can find reports, sparklines. Next is filters. Under filters, you can see two options, that is slicer and timeline. We have to select slicer. If you select slicer, a small window like this will open. It consists of the values that we have given in pivot table. We have given order ID, product, category, amount, date and country. These fields are there in pivot table as well as in pivot chart. So those headlines are appearing here. So now you can include, you can select the checkbox as per your requirement for data analysis. The first one is order ID. Order ID is just it is just for a numbering purpose it is given, and it is not going to have any very important feature in data analysis. So we are moving on to the second one. It is product. Under product we have products like fruits and vegetables such as apple, banana, beans, broccoli and list goes on. So we need it for data analysis, so I am selecting it. The second one is category. Category is whether the given product is a fruit or a vegetable. So the two categories are given in the given data, so I am going to select that also. Then the third one is amount. Of course amount is required for analysis, so I am selecting it. Date, right now date is not required for our analysis, so I am leaving it as such. Then country, we need it, which country is exporting more or which country is exporting less. For such kind of analysis we need that information, that input also, so I am selecting it. So once you have selected whatever field you need for further analysis, you select the checkbox, you make sure it is ticked, then click OK. Then after that, small windows like this will open. This is known as slicers. So now for better viewing purpose, you can drag it and keep it. So now whenever you change it, whenever you are making or selecting any particular field in this four slicers, accordingly the pivot table also will change and pivot chart also will change. For example, I want to see country wise data analysis is given right now, but I don't want to see all the countries together. I just want to see only Australia. So for that, right now all the countries are selected. Now I am selecting only Australia. So now you could have seen it, the pivot table is changed. All the products corresponding to Australia alone is shown in pivot table, and similarly all the values corresponding to Australia alone is shown in pivot chart also. Similarly, if you want to undo it, and you can clear the filter, the shortcut key is Alt plus C, and you can also check this symbol. If you click this filter symbol, the filter will be cleared. And then for example, I want to see only the fruits. So only for the fruits of various countries, how it has been exported. So those values are changed in pivot table, similarly in pivot chart also. And for example, I want to see how New Zealand is consuming the fruits, especially the apples. So now only for the New Zealand, apple product alone is shown in the pivot table as well as in pivot chart. So this is how you can make use of slicer for including or excluding any particular data for deeper analysis. So slicer can be made use of for a deeper analysis of a very big data. Thank you.